Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both objects. Open the scene and save a version copy so you can revert. Select the source object you want to replace, then select the target transform or group in the outliner. Make sure to freeze transforms and delete history on the source to avoid baked offsets. This keeps pivots and transforms predictable. Once done, match the target's transform to the source using point, rotate, and scale values so the replacement will land correctly. Now perform the actual swap. Duplicate the source mesh for backup, then parent the new geometry under the target's transform node so it inherits position and rotation. Zero out local translates, rotates, and scales on the child so it aligns precisely. If the target has animation, use point and orient constraints to preserve motion before deleting the original, or transfer skin weights and UVs if needed. Make sure normals and materials are assigned correctly to avoid. Finish by baking constraints and transferring any skin weights or blend shape connections so the new object behaves identically. Clean up unused nodes and history to keep the scene tidy. After that, scrub the timeline and inspect normals, UVs, materials, and animation timing to confirm there are no visual glitches. If the replacement appears misaligned, reset the pivot on the new object, reapply world space transforms from the original, and recheck constraints. This usually fixes common offset issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.